Alright, welcome back to part 2 of 1998 Donruss Prefer Baseball Team. Prefer Power, A-Raw, Jose Canseco, Vinny, U.S. Castillo, Prefer Power, Jose Cruz Jr., Alright, Hadiski Aripu. Sorry if I butchered his name. Dick Cone. Ricky Henderson. Kurt Schilling. Prefer Power of Paul Molitor. Prefer Power, Kyle Ripken Jr., Ricky Henderson. Looks like got something. Got the Tidal Wave of Manny Ramirez, 1995 ALC Y Champions. Very cool. Backup. It's number 2, 1995. Very cool hit. Jeff Stupon and Roger Clemens. Prefer Power, Mo Vaughn, Hideki, Dick Cone, Tony Gwynn, Prefer Power, and Charles Johnson. Todd Hilton, Brian Jordan, the rookie of Derek Gibson, Jay Burner, Prefer Power of Gary Sheffield, Ron Kuma, Omar Vazquez, got Jose Guillen, Prefer Power of Jim Tony, and Abraham Nunes, rookie. Got Joe Rena. Preferred power of Mo Wong. Got bronze rookie of Kristen Wilson Guerrero. And preferred power of Gary Sheffield. Vinny Castillo. Bobby Estilla, rookie.